Video for Assignment 70, Math Lesson 9.9. Today we're going to talk about volumes of other prisms, not just rectangular prisms. In your notebook, I want you to go to the page where you put the heading Volume Formulas. We're going to add a couple of new formulas. So open your notebook to your Volume Formulas page, and I want you to copy down the formulas for triangular prisms and prisms with a parallelogram base. Now, when we were working with rectangular prisms, I taught you the formula for volume, which equals area of the base times the height. Well, the cool thing about volume is the formula really doesn't change. No matter what shape the prism is, as long as you find the area of the base and multiply that by the height, you've got your volume. You just have to remember to use your the proper area formula for whatever shape the base is. So the first thing you want to do when you are asked to find the volume of a prism is you want to locate the base and you want to see what shape it is. If it's a triangle, then you're working with a triangular prism. Now, the formula does not change. Volume equals area of the base times the height. However, what changes is finding the area of the base, because then we know we have to use the area of a triangle formula, which is base times height divided by 2. So whatever the shape is, you find the area of the base, multiply that by the height of the prism, that's your volume. So if you have a prism with a parallelogram base, and we know that finding the area of a parallelogram is the same as finding the area of a rectangle, so it's the same thing. Volume is area of the base times the height. Even if you have a prism that has an irregular shape as a base, if you know what the area of that irregular shape is, and sometimes your book will tell you the area of this base is this, then all you have to do is take that area of the base and multiply it by the height. Make sure you have these formulas copied down into your notes on that volume formulas page. Now, let's take a look at one quick example today. Okay, so let's say you had this triangular prism and you were being asked to find the volume of it. Okay, the first step is to find the area of the base. Okay, here's our triangle. We've got 5 inches by 4 inches. Okay, so 5 times 4 is 20. We have to divide that by 2 because it's a triangle. So the area of the base is 10 inches squared. The second step is to multiply that area of the base by the height of the prism. Now the prism is 6 inches high. Okay, so we have 10 times 6. So the volume of our prism is 60 inches cubed, or cubic inches, 60 cubic inches. Pretty slick, huh? Just find the find the area of the base, no matter what shape it is. Find the area of the base, multiply that by the height of the prism, and there you've got your volume.